Hey guys, so I'm at my friend's house, and this is his new house. He has two 8500Ws, and these actually weren't hooked up, and I hooked them up. They were already like installed, but the wall buttons were just hanging down, and they weren't programmed at all and weren't plugged in. So I went ahead, and what we did was his dad and I took the wall wire that they were hanging from. It was hanging from right there. We took it, and you can see where it is. We just drilled a hole straight, ran it straight through the attic. And the reason that it wasn't pre-wired is because they expected there to be regular motors, which there weren't. And we had to go out and get this light because the company didn't give us it. So my company that I know gave us it for really cheap, along with some company t-shirts, so we were really happy. And we had to buy a remote because the company didn't give us the remotes. So yeah, we have this button programmed to this door, and then we have these two buttons programmed to that door. And the high lift system is really weird on how it is. It's confusing at first, but once you see how they go, you'll get it. So the way we have it is, we have one light programmed to each. We had to get the lights set up for Wi-Fi. So, that was that. I do have to fix the travel a bit, so I'll do that in another day. So I'll go ahead and run the back door. It leads out to the backyard. You want to go ahead and hit the far button? And the springs pop a lot. Sensors are down there. I did pigtail them. And they have big springs. So, but the setup is, the doors overlap. So it's really cool. And they do have the bump stops on, thankfully. Because like when we put these up, we were slamming them up. The auto lock knob is really crooked. We don't know why. So yeah, that was that. So you want to go ahead and run them both down? Oh God, no. Something's wrong with this one. Okay guys, so what happened is, this has a stripped coupler. We don't know why or how, but it does. So we called Chamberlain and they're gonna send us a new one for free since it's new. So all it gives you the error code, we had to write down the case number, is motor control error code 15C user's manual. But yeah, this one still works, and that's okay. That's the main one that needs to work. So we just pulled the rope and did this one down. So for this one, it works well. We have the remote on the bike. So yeah, I'll go ahead and disengage it. So I'll do the lock, and I'll pull the rope. And then these doors are really heavy, but they're balanced. I mean, these are high lift doors. You can't help them, but you can't have anything else but heavy. And then I'll show you the outside of these doors. They have windows. So yeah, pretty nice. So I'll go ahead and put this back down. So yeah, you go ahead and hit the button. Nope. Yes. I love the bump stops too. Those are really good. Like I said, So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I'll go ahead and run it down from the outside. Go ahead and close it. They do have handles, so they're pretty nice. the weather stripping does bend up a bit. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all have any questions, let me know. The battery backup does work. I guess I'll go ahead and do it on this one if I can. I probably wasn't able to though. So yeah, it's somewhat closing. It is squeaking a lot. So now it's in the closed position. But yeah, I don't think I'll do it because I just don't want to mess it up any more than what it already is messed up. This door doesn't like to stay down. Sorry, I accidentally stopped the video. But yeah, like I said, this one doesn't like to stay down, so you just kind of have to push it. But I mean, it's balanced pretty well. It is a bit heavy. Like, it takes my friend and I, it takes 2 people to lift it. But like, once it goes up, it goes up. That's why we like the bump stops, and especially on this one too. Bump stops are lifesavers on this one. It probably would have flown into the door by now, into like the back wall. The bump stops are lifesavers on this one. Not as much as what they used to be, but yeah. So, and if I'm correct, if I were to engage it right now, it would know its current position, but I just don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk it, you know, trying to go up more or something. But I think it would know its current spot. Let me know if I'm correct on that. Yeah, so click back in, and it's that simple. So, LiftMaster smartly designed these, and the new jeans side mount did come out actually. So I can't wait to see who tries that out first. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and let me know if y'all have any questions about it.